Hello my angels, subscribe to my obsession and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss any update. Angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I am doing a get ready with me. Like many of you know, it's POHELA BOISHAKH, Bengali New Year, and I'm a Bengali and celebrating, so I thought like whatever I'm going to wear and what kind of makeup look I'm going to wear, I thought of sharing with you guys. And I have come up with this golden glittery eye look. I never thought I'm going to use this glitter right now before the haul, but I just did it because, like I was thinking that there's something missing on my eyes and after the golden, so I thought I'll just go with this golden. And this is how I am looking. I'm superbly satisfied with this look and I'm wearing a very beautiful red sari. This is red and purple. I really like this sari, so I thought of creating a look. So here I am. So this is what I'm wearing and I thought of sharing. So here I am. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. So yeah, let's not further ado, please get into this video. So I'm gonna start by priming my face, and for that I'm going with this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. And then I'm going with this on the forehead, on the nose, on the chin, basically on my T-zone. And I'm just going to blend this out. And now for the foundation, I'm going with L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in the shade Golden Beige. And I'm going to dot this all over my face. And then I'm just going to buff this in. And as usual, I'm going with this on the neck area. And now for concealing and highlighting, I'm going with this LA Girl Pro Concealer. And this is in the shade Light Ivory. And I'm going with this on the forehead, down the bridge of my nose, on the cupid's bow, around my mouth, on the chin, underneath my eyes. And now I'm going to blend this out. And now to set my concealer, I'm going with this L'Oreal Matte Magique Compact Powder. Now I really don't want to go for a very heavily sculpted, contoured look, but I want to go for a nice sun-kissed, bronzed look, and for that I'm going with Makeup Revolution Blush Bronze and Brighten Flush palette, and I'm going with the bronzer shade, of course. I'm going with this on the hollows of my cheeks. I'm going with this on the temple, on the forehead. I'm even going to hit this on the jawline. So now I'm going with a lip balm just because I feel my lips are a little bit dry. So I'm going with this Baby Lip Balm from Maybelline. So I'm pretty much done with my base. I'm going to move on to my blusher and the highlighter later on, but then right now I'm going to fill in my brows, and for that I'm not doing it on the camera. So if you want to know how I do my brows, you have to just check out this eye right here. You'll reach my eyebrow routine. So I'll just fill in my brows and I'll be back. So guys, I'm done with filling my brows and even I have concealed my eyelids. Now I'm moving on to the eyeshadow. Now for the transition shade, I'm going with this cool toned brown from Makeup Revolution Run Boy Run palette. And I'm going to run this on the crease area. I'm going with this on the back and forward motion. And I'm really blending this so there are no harsh lines. I really want to soften this down. And now from Makeup Revolution Redemption Day to Night palette, I'm going with this pale gold color right here. And to pat this on, I'm going with the lip brush, and this really helps in doing this. So I'm going with this brush right here. Now again, coming back to Makeup Revolution Run Boy Run palette, I'm going to pick this color up. And I'm going with this on the outer V, and I'll be blending this out. And I'm even going to take this on the socket of my eyes, and I'm going to blend all the three colors right here. And mostly I'm concentrating this on the outer V. And again, I'm going to build up the golden on the lid area. And now for the tight lining and waterlining, I'm going with this Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. So now before going in with a black eyeliner, I'll go with a golden glitter, and this is the MissClaire Pearl eyeliner and in the shade 16. So I'm going with this all over my lids, like where I have that golden going on. So guys, as you can see, the glitter liner has already dried up, and now I am going with NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and you guys know this is my absolute favorite. And I'll go with my signature cat eye wink liner. So now for smoking out the lower lash line, I'm again going with this shade. And I'm just going with this on the lower lash line and blending this out. I think still there is something missing on the lower lash line, so I'll go with this black again to smoke it out. So I'm going with this on the outer corner and blending this with the wing. So now complete the eye makeup, I'm going with this Maybelline False Lashes Push Up Drama Mascara. So I'm done with my eyes. Now I'm moving on to my face again, and now I'm going with my blusher, Lakme Absolute Illuminating Shimmer Brick, and I'll go with this coral shade, and I'm going to apply this on the apples of my cheeks. And now for the highlighter, I'm going with this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter. And I'm just going to hit this on the tops of my cheeks. And even I'm going with this on the nose. Lightly on the forehead. Even I'm going with this on the eyebrow bone. The tops of my brows, like whatever is left in my brush, I'm going with this on the tops of my brow bone, and even I'll go with this on the cupid's bow, and whatever is left again I'm going in. And now I'm really confused with two lip shade, two red. I don't know which one I should go for. I think this one, the bold crimson, because it even matches my sari. So I'm going with this, and this is the Maybelline Color Show lipstick in the shade Bold Crimson. This is the M210. But before going in with the lipstick, I thought of going with a lip liner. This is the one from NYX. This is in the shade Hot Red. So I'm going with this right here. So I'm going with the brush right here. that's it for this get ready with me. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm uploading a video. And even you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Snapchat. So that's it for today. I wish you all a very happy new year. And Shubho Navavarshir Prityu Shubhecha. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, love you all. Mwah. Bye. Please click on the images so you can watch my previous videos, and if you really want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links are given below, and even you can follow me on my blog page. And for subscribing to my channel, please click on the image, and thank you so much for watching. Please wait for the next one.